Hey, what's going on everyone? Microsoft has officially taken the wraps of its second generation Surface Duo, featuring upgrades in every single department. So in this video, we'll be talking about all the details of Microsoft Surface Duo 2, including the specs, features and availability. For your better understanding, we would recommend you to watch this video till the end. My name is Sovik and welcome to Phone Politics. Let's get started. Before we jump right into the video, we want to tell you something important. Almost 99% of you watching our videos have not subscribed to our channel. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button along with the bell icon to stay connected with us. Also, please hit the like button if you find this video informative. A like will encourage us to make more exciting videos for you. Now let's get back to the topic. Surface Duo 2 has bigger and better displays, support for 5G and the latest flagship processor from Qualcomm and a new glance bar feature that shows notifications down the spine of the device when closed. Microsoft has also made improvements to the Surface Duo 2's design for better fit and finish, and the device is more sturdy now too. Surface Duo 2 is a huge upgrade over the first Surface Duo. Now let's talk about the specs of Surface Duo 2. Surface Duo 2 comes with Android 11 out of the box and equipped with Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 SoC. It comes with only one RAM option, that is 8GB, and comes in 3 storage configurations: 128GB, 256GB and 512GB. The battery capacity of this phone is 4449 mAh and supports fast charging. It weighs 284 grams. The Surface Duo 2 is slightly thicker and heavier than the first Surface Duo, which Microsoft says actually helps the overall robustness of the device. It comes more sturdy and the outside glass now gently curves into the edges for a better fit and finish. Microsoft has also increased the size of the displays to 5.8 inches each, which means the bezels are now slightly thinner. Microsoft has also combined the fingerprint reader with the power button and centered the USB Type-C charging port. It has also been confirmed that Surface Duo 2 has some basics IPX1 protection, which is the equivalent of some light, non-windy rain for 10 minutes. Now let's talk about the features of Surface Duo 2. Surface Duo 2 has a whole bunch of new features over the Surface Duo 1. Thanks to the slight curve in the display down the middle, the screens are now slightly exposed down the spine when closed. This has allowed Microsoft to build a new feature it calls Glance Bar that can be configured to show incoming calls and notifications down the spine, acting as a heads-up ticker when the display is closed. The Glance Bar also provides visual indicators when plugging in the device to charge and when phone calls come in. There is also a new Leap to Wake feature that automatically turns the displays on when you pick up the device. This feature makes the Duo 2 feel faster, as the displays will already be on by the time you have opened the device. You can now also configure certain apps to automatically open across both displays instead of having to span the app once it's open manually. Microsoft has also updated the launcher with an updated activity feed, which includes a new UI a little more similar to the widgets panel found on Windows 11. We don't know if there are any other changes present in the Microsoft launcher on Duo 2 at this time, but here is hoping we get some more customization options. Microsoft has now its own photo app powered by OneDrive that provides helpful editing tools. Microsoft has also revealed the camera app from the ground up exclusively for Surface Duo 2. Microsoft is also selling a new Surface Duo 2 pen cover that can attach to the front of the Surface Duo 2 and enables wireless charging of the Surface Slim Pen. The magnets are now also stronger, so the Surface Slim Pen can actually attach to the Surface Duo 2 without falling off. Now let's talk about the cameras. Surface Duo 2 features an entirely new camera setup consisting of 12 megapixel selfie shooter on the inside above the right display, and a new triple camera setup on the device backside housed in a typical smartphone camera bump. The external camera setup includes a 12 megapixel main sensor, 12 megapixel telephoto lens and 16 megapixel ultra wide sensor. Microsoft says the Surface Duo 2 supports low light and night photography. They also said these cameras will provide a flagship level camera experience, including support features such as portrait mode with adjustable depth control and low light and auto HDR photography improvements. Now let's talk about the price and availability of Surface Duo 2. Surface Duo 2 has a starting price of $1499, a $100 increase over the launch price of the first Surface Duo. The device is available in more markets at launch, however it is expected to start shipping on October 21st in the US, UK, Canada, France, Germany and Japan. Surface Duo 2 can be had in both Glacier White or Obsidian Black colors in either 128GB, 256GB or 512GB storage configurations. The pricing for each specs is $1499, $1599 and $1799 respectively. There is no update if this device is going to launch in India. However, we can expect some more details on this in the coming months. So that is all for today's video. Please let me know your thoughts about Microsoft Surface Duo 2 in the comment section below. If you find this video informative, then please hit the like button. A like will encourage us to make more exciting videos for you. To support us, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Also share this video with your friends and family. Our social media links are in the description. You can follow us from there. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.